you guys, it's Brianna, owner of Clear Vision Accounting Solutions, and we help beauty professionals to organize their finances, gain financial clarity, and pay the least amount of money to Uncle Sam. Now look, as a business owner, you know there's always something to do, right? But I want to challenge you to do these 4 things that I'm about to discuss, all right? Number 1, I want you to make sure that your business is structured correctly. This could save you thousands of dollars come tax time. But guess what? This is also something that you have to do now. It's not something that you can do during tax time. It would not serve you any good, all right? So you want to make sure that your business is structured correctly, all right? This includes business entities and really just understanding the benefits of each business entity and where which one would benefit you the most, right? So I would definitely do that ASAP. Number 2, you want to make sure that your business is protected. A lot of business owners that I speak to do not have business insurance, right? So I always like to say, you pay your car insurance faithfully, even though you don't plan on getting in your car and going to hit a car. You don't wake up in the morning and say, hey, I'm about to go to work, and I know somebody's going to hit me today. You don't ever think that, but you pay your car insurance just in case something out of your control, or even if it's your fault, something on accident happens, or your fault or somebody else's, right? So number 3, we want to make sure that we are keeping track of all of our income and expenses. Aside knowing where we actually are in business and if our businesses are profitable, we want to make sure that come tax time, we get all the deductions that we are due, okay? We do not want to overpay Uncle Sam. It is not your preparer's or your accountant's job to finesse your return. It is your job as a business owner to make sure you are keeping track of all of your income and all of your expenses. And number 4, this is the most important thing, all right? I want you to operate in your zone of genius. That means that if you are not well versed in accounting, finances, taxes, guess what? Go seek help. All right. There are people that are out there willing to help you within your industry. So you want to make sure that you choose an accountant that is well versed, of course, in accounting and taxation. Also, that is familiar with what you do. Right? So what an accountant that may work for your friend's business or someone else may not necessarily work for you. Make sure they are well versed in what you do. They are familiar with your products and services and are familiar with how you do things, even how you price things, right? So you want to make sure that you seek the help that you need, all right, to save all of the money that you can. For some reason, a lot of times it seems as if when I talk to people, they're like, oh, I know I need an accountant, but, I'm not sure about the price right now. I understand that, but you don't pay it now or pay it later, right? So you want to make sure that if you have a good accounting and you're really investing in your business, and actually when you ask for recommendations on what you should be doing right now when it comes to bookkeeping, when it comes to doing like a business compliance review, right? Just kind of have an accountant look over your business, make sure you're structured correctly, recommend any business insurance for you. Even when it comes to taxes, that is not a one-time thing, all right? So when it comes to tax planning, invest in your business now. It will save you later, okay? So you want to, what they always say, you want to stay ready so you ain't got to get ready, okay? So you want to make sure that you are investing in your business. Plus, guess what? Investing in your business to make sure that your business is operationally sound and financially sound as well, that is ordinary and necessary for your business to run, which qualifies as a tax deduction come tax time. So you hire an accountant, don't think of it as a complete waste or it's just more money out of your pocket, right? So you want to look at it as an investment into yourself to help you save money in the long run, all right? And for you to actually understand where you are in your business and where you need to go in your business. And trust me, a lot of clients I work with, they don't even have time, all right? And a lot of times it's so easy to put your business on the back burner and you just worry about, how do I make more money? How do I make more money? How do I make more money? And if you're one of those people where you're like, you know what, it's not that I'm not making money. I just don't know where my money is going. Or how much do I pay myself? Or like, yeah, I know based on, you know, my StyleSeat, my Vagaro, my PayPal, my Square, however you're receiving your income, I know it tells you how much you brought in, your revenue, but that doesn't tell you how well your business is doing, right? So you want to make sure that you are actually understanding how profitable you are so that you know when it's time to grow, all right? That's a whole nother conversation we'll get to. But always remember those 4 things. Make sure you have the correct business structure. Make sure you're protecting your business with business insurance. Make sure you are tracking your income and expenses. And also seek an accountant if you need help. All right. So go ahead and click the link in my bio if you are in search for someone to help you gain financial clarity. All right. And save you money in the long run when it comes to taxes. We are so happy to help you and to speak to you. And so that we can get to know you and you can get to know us as well. All right. So again, click the link in my bio if you are in any need with anything that we just went over just now. All right. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.